So, what's going on here in Pyra land? Well, August was a pretty busy month for me. My main employee is on holidays for the full August because she has kids at home and she has to use the holidays. So I had to do all the shipping in the shop myself, which means I didn't have a lot of time to work on the shop here, on the new site here. It looks a lot worse than it is. There are a lot of boxes that are empty, like these ones from Global Components, which just are still standing there in the way. These boxes don't need to be unboxed because it's just the Pyra packaging in there, and these are the batteries over there. Well, but I already started to sort everything here for the shelf. Pyra stuff, for example, here are a few key mats. I still have a lot of closed boxes with key mats. Here are quite a few displays with display boards already included. Can you get focus? Yes. So yeah, that's quite a few rows of displays with 8 each. So these are all the displays we need for the remaining for the next, until we get the first 500 Pyras finished. So here's a box, multi-layer with pre-finished chrome units. So chrome color. Let me pick this one up so maybe you can see it a bit better. Here's the chrome one. It has the display already in, the key mat, the speakers. You can see the display cable here. So yeah, there's multiple layers. Not all have the key mat in there yet, but most of them have. So that's multiple layers. This is what I plan to do, having multiple boxes, which will all then be sorted into that shelf. So I can easily and faster assemble everything. Here are the chromium. Focus, please. Here are the chromium backsides. So, of course, also multiple stacked on top. Same here for black backsides. It's hard to keep focus with a smartphone. Okay. So here's one of the more important ones. These are the standard mainboards without any modem. Yeah, and there are multiple stacks here as well. I think it's 5 or 6 stacks with 14 each, or 12 each. 12 each. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 6 again. No, it's 17 per layer. So multiple layered standard boards are in here. Same one box below for the US ones. And well, there's another. Those was the European box, and there's another box here with the US ones all neatly shelved away. So this will make things easier and a lot faster when I restart the assembly, which will happen within the next 2 weeks. So finally, I can ship Pyras again. Moving everything here and sorting everything was quite a bit of a task, especially if I had to keep the normal shop running as well. But as you can see, we're getting there, and with this stuff sorted, the table where all the boxes are on is actually the table where we will assemble and test the Pyras. That's why you can see the all-in-one PC there as well. Yeah, and these are, well, these are roughly 400 motherboards in these 3 boxes there. Yeah, and I simply didn't have the space. In the old room, I only had quite boxes and boxes and boxes stacked on top of each other. I didn't have any space to install proper shelves like here, where I can then simply have these nice little gray boxes and stack everything on top. So yeah, most of these boxes here is other stuff as well. For example, Wings Rocket Ranger, which we are producing as well. Or you can see here a bunch of broken GPD devices. Well, yeah. So a lot of the Pyra stuff is already unpacked. I plan to resume the assembly in about 2 weeks. So in 1.5 weeks, my employee is coming back. So I don't have to handle the shipping anymore each day, which takes 1.5 hours, about 5 hours each day. And well, yeah, then I will still have to set up these two shelves. These are another two. Sort all the other stuff that's here, and then continue with the Pyra assembly. So this was just a quick look so you can see. Oh yeah, these are also shoulder buttons pre-sorted, springs, screws, nubs. These nubs should also get nice little boxes like these. I just didn't have them here now. Well, in the other room here, this will not be Pyra related. This is for other stuff in case you're interested. For example, yeah, we are producing the Reach Road plugins here with the one with the two holes for the Nintendo 64 plugins. And actually, this little CNC machine is actually drilling the holes into the plugins. So yeah, this will also be used if I have to manually do some stuff. Well, here are quite a few boxes of all of Mega Drive cards and Super Nintendo cards as the shells, because I will be producing quite a lot of games for Strictly Limited. You have quite a big production on, so these are all just plastic shells for Mega Drive and Super Nintendo stuff. Well, and the last room, the big one here, this is where my shop will move, probably around October or November. So this is a lot bigger than my old shop already. So at the moment, it's just an empty space. Well, there's a coffee machine in here, which is important. So yeah, that's a quick look where we're getting. But the most important stuff is this place here, because this room will be mainly assigned to Pyra assembly. Yeah, and you can imagine if I put some more desks here and the shelves are set up, then this will be quite a nice space to assemble Pyras. So that's it for today. Next week I'm going to probably finish up setting up the shelves, sorting everything, cleaning everything here. And then the week after that I will finally resume Pyra assembly, and this should be a lot faster than it was before because everything is now here, properly sorted. I don't have to search for anything. It's all there, just need to put it together. Thanks for your patience, and well, see you.